So this is really a review of today and a couple days ago. This is one of the great things about constructed response problems and what makes them so hard. One of our integration rules is that we can split this integral up into several integrals. We're going to look at the integral from 3 to 5 of 2f prime of x plus the integral from 3 to 5 of 4, all dx. And I can also factor this 2 out, so I'll do that. And so we're really now looking at seeing that we have an integral of a derivative, and those are going to undo each other. And so really what we're looking for is 2 times the integral of the derivative gives me just f of x. So I want 2 times f of x evaluated at the lower limit of 3 and the upper limit of 5. We're going to add to that the integral from 3 to 5 of 4. So you could actually do that math. That would be, of course, 4x from 3 to 5. Or you could just think about a line 4 high, looking at it from an x of 3 to an x of 5. It's pretty easy to see the area that way is this base of 2 times that height of 4 is 8. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to say, hey, that part of it's 8. So now we're looking at 2 times the function at 5 minus the function at 3 plus 8. So now I try to finish this out. The function at 5, oh, okay, well here's the graph of f, so the function at 5 is 0. So I'm going to have 2 times 0 minus the function at 3. Crap, I don't know what that is. What do I do? And then I go back and I say, wait a minute, have I used every part of the given informations? Okay, a portion of the graph consisting of 2 line segments, I use that. A quarter circle, I use that. The point 5, 3. Okay, well, let's see. It is known that the point 3, comma 3 minus the square root of 5 is on the graph of f. Oh, wait a minute. That's great. That's the missing piece. This tells me this is 3 comma 3 minus square root of 5. Now I have this value right here. F of 3 is really 3 minus the square root of 5. And of course I'm going to add 8. So my final answer, I'm going to double this here. And so I have negative 6 plus 2 times the square root of 5 plus 8. And you could leave it right now because we don't have to simplify constructed response. But if we wanted to, negative 8 and 6 is going to be 2 plus 2 square root of 5. That's that integral we were asked to evaluate.